Over the last 12 months, we've worked hard to improve our processes and put targets in place with full KPIs for the teams. It's key for us to keep up in the aerospace market and grow the business as we wish to. The values and the missions that we have been rolled out to the whole business, and we're making them clear to the entire workforce. The processes that we're putting in place are here to ensure that our systems are robust and transparent, and everybody in the business knows what they're accountable for. This year we're working towards AS9100, 100, a quality accreditation, that will allow us to market ourselves strongly in the aerospace markets. This pulls challenges on everybody within the company, and everybody's having to up their game. Ensuring we provide excellent customer service is key to Boneham and Turner. The sales team are being restructured and given new titles to make them aware of the full ownership from inquiry to delivery. Everybody within the organisation plays a part in ensuring our deliveries are on time and in full, which is a key metric in the aerospace industry, one that we are sure to grow and improve on as time goes by. Part of the improvements we are making is implementing boardwalks every day. These take place on the shop floor and also in the sales office, where we're looking at a various range of metrics. So safety, quality, delivery, cost and people. Ensuring everyone has a full awareness of exactly where we are within the business. Recently we've implemented that in the sales team, so they become fully engaged and understand where we have delivery issues, quality issues, and understanding ownership of problems when they arise.